Arrive in style with this 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are air conditioning, passenger vanity mirror, dual front side impact airbags, driver's side manual lumbar control seat adjuster, electronic stability control, heavy-duty trailering package, retail, front wheel independent suspension, protection package, and chrome grille surround. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.